Good afternoon, my viewers out there. Today is another good day, and I'll be giving my response to a question: how do we deal with addiction? Part 1, and the part 1 is why addiction. The question is how do we deal with addiction? But the subtitle of today's question is why addiction. First of all, we have to know the meaning of addiction. Addiction is a big problem around the world, most especially in the lives of our youth. It is something that has deterred or that is trying to deter the growth of every civilization. Addiction means a compulsive psychological need for and use of habit-forming substance characterized by tolerance and well-defined physiological symptoms upon withdrawal. The word psychological there means it is something of that has taken serious control of your mind. It is something that has taken serious control of your subconsciousness. That means whether you like it or not, you just have to do it. Most time you don't want to do it, but you find yourself doing it. That is addiction. It is a very terrible act that is killing the human populace. It is a very terrible act. Addiction starts from a gradual process. Maybe it's addiction most time is done for pleasure, is done for relaxation. Most time is done to clear our mind from the stresses of this world. When someone thinks he or she gets relaxed when he does a particular stuff, or that particular stuff helps he or she to sleep or helps he or she to feel better, then when you do it the first time, maybe your mind feel very relaxed. You try it again, it gives you a good result. You find yourself doing it all over and over and over again, even to a point that most time you feel like you don't want to do it and you still do it. That is addiction. Addiction is very, very bad. Addiction is satanic. Addiction is unprecedented. It is not good for human populace. God has given everybody the ability to control his or herself and to derive joy even without engaging into some dirty activities. And you see, most of the things we get addicted to are very harmful to our well-being, to our mental capacity, very harmful to our mind at the long run. You see someone taking drugs over and over again, you feel as if you don't take the drugs now, as in you can't function. That is addiction. For me, it is satanic. For me, it is beyond it. It begins from the natural, and it gets to a point where it is out of one's control. And when it is out of one's control, it is no longer natural. There is now a force behind it cajoling someone. So why addiction? Like I said, why addiction? Most people think that what they can derive joy from taking a particular thing, maybe smoking, maybe taking drugs, taking nicotine. Most people think their mind can be relaxed when they take different substances. Most people think when they take those substances, depression fades away. Most people think that when they want to clear their mind off, they have to take those substances. But the truth is, once you get to your normal senses, your problem is still there waiting for you. That is just the truth. If you are into taking drugs because maybe you don't want to think about um, your past mistake. The truth is, if you take the drugs today, if you take the drugs now, maybe you can be high for a couple of hours depending on the level of drugs you've sniffed. Once the drugs fade away, beloved brothers and sisters, my folks out there, you're still coming back to the problem you left before. You're still coming back to the same problem you think the drugs is taking you away from. So that is, addiction is not, it is something that is eating, it is gradually eating, it's just eating our human populace, it is eating our civilization. And join me in the course of this study, we would know how to deal with addiction. Thank you, and God bless you.